Hello, this is Ms. Goldberg. I'm going to teach you how to use the Beebot app on your iPad. First, you need to locate the Beebot app. It's easy to do because it has a blue background and a yellow and black B-shaped robot on it. I see mine in the upper left-hand corner. It says Beebot underneath. I'm going to tap on that right now. When you first open the app, you will see a Start button. Press the Start button to begin. There are 4 themes available in the Beebot app. You could scroll up to see that there are other themes that will be coming soon. But for right now, these are the 4 that are available. They do go in order of difficulty, so you should start with the Garden app. That's the easiest level. I'm going to press Go now. Once I'm in the Garden theme, you'll see that there are 6 different levels to complete. I'm going to start with level 1 and press on that flower now. The directions are here. My job is to help Beebot reach the flower. I'll press Go now to move on. In order to control Beebot, there are 4 different buttons at the bottom. They're orange and they give you a direction. There's a forward, left, right, and down, or back. There's also 2 blue buttons. There's a clear button on the left that looks like an X and a pause button on the right. We won't be using the pause button today. The most important part about this app, though, is on the bottom left-hand side. It's that 0 that's at the bottom in a circle. I'm going to tap on that, and what that does is it brings up a list of directions. Now, right now, I haven't asked Beebot to do anything, but I will in just a moment. See, what we're going to be doing is coding Beebot to get to the flower. And coding is much like baking, where you have a recipe to follow. You have to do all the steps in the right order in order for your item to come out tasting great. Well, Beebot works the same way. You need to be able to see all the steps in the right order in order for Beebot to do what you want. In this case, I want Beebot to move forward 1 space. So I'm going to use the orange and white arrow that's facing forward. Notice that when I press it, it shows up on the left in the code bar. And you'll see that there's 1 direction I've given Beebot. In order to make Beebot move, I press the green Go button. Great job. I can press OK to move to the next level. In level 2, again, I'm asked to get Beebot to the flower. This time I notice that Beebot has a few more steps to go. I'm going to start again by pressing the 0 on the left-hand side so that I can see my code bar appear. It looks like Beebot needs to move forward 3 spaces, so I'm going to press the orange forward arrow 3 times. You can see my code on the left-hand side matches what I think I need to do. I'm going to press the Go button now. Great job. Press OK to move to the next level. Okay, again, I have to get Beebot to the flower. Press Go. In this case, I see that there's a turn, so this is going to be a little bit more difficult. I'm going to start by pressing the 0 button to get that code bar to appear. I'm going to move forward, it looks like 3 times. And I'm going to press Go. Uh-oh, Beebot went forward too far. In that case, if you make a mistake, do you see the blinking X at the bottom? I'm going to tap the X and it will clear this code. Now Beebot is in a good position right here. I can continue to work with him right where he is. But I see that he needs to make a turn. So I'm going to use the left arrow button here to make a turn. And I'm going to press Go. Excellent. I see that Beebot is facing the flower, but he still needs to move forward. It's important that I clear the code before I give him new directions because I can see that there's already a turn in my code bar. If I continue to type new directions, it's going to start with a turn, and Beebot is already facing the right direction. So I'm going to use the X to press clear code again, and I can see that Beebot needs to go forward 2 times. I'm going to press Go, and I did it. Great job. This level looks very similar to the level before, but I do have some turns that I need to make. Remember, if you accidentally turn in 1 direction, you may need to reverse your turn. There's no undo button in Beebot. So if you make a turn and you realize it's the wrong direction, try making another turn and that will help you get back to where you need to be. You can always use the clear code if you realize that you've made a wrong move and you don't want to do that. I'm going to press the home button and it will take me back to show you that I've completed levels 1, 2, and 3 in the garden theme. I press the home button one more time to get back to choose different themes. Remember that they do go in order of difficulty, so starting at the beginning is helpful as you build your coding skills. All right, that's all for now. Have fun coding Bebot.